Alright, so I want to do some final thoughts about these Bpure lip kits. The one I'm currently wearing is the Terracotta Rose, and then the Pink Lemonade was the other one that I felt that was too light for me. I have mine here. Where's the other one? Here, there we go. These are open. These are for my friend to try, see if she likes them. So these are not like the type of liquid lippies that dry down. Like, you know, the Infallible one, or the, I think these are the Superstay one. They don't dry down. They're just like a regular bullet lipstick, only in liquid form. And I actually have one from Loreal that's like that. So what I want to do is I'm going to wear test these, because I found with the Pink Lemonade one, after about an hour and a half, I had to touch it up. With this one, I'm getting the impression it's going to last longer on the lip. Just by the way it feels. And I haven't been using the liners that came in the kit, because if I'm going to compare it to this one, I kind of want to be neutral as far as the liner, the lip liner that I use. So I'm going to use the same lip liner for all three of these. And like I said, I've already tried this one after about an hour and a half. It does this thing where like your lips literally eat it and the color. For like this one, the shine kind of goes away, but the color is still there despite it. And usually it's about half an hour. The shine lasts about half an hour, I noticed. So I want to test out this one to see if the Terracotta Rose one lasts longer than the Pink Lemonade one. And then I want to test out the Loreal one. I don't really know how well this one works as far as longevity, because I never really gravitated towards it. Kind of was like, it's a liquid lipstick that doesn't dry down, what's the point? Kind of a thing. So I have it because at the time there was probably a coupon, and if you spent X amount of dollars on L'Oreal stuff, you ended up getting a bunch of cash back at CVS, which is how I ended up with all of these. And yeah, so these are not like these guys. In fact, like, not all liquid lipsticks are made the same. So I actually didn't like these guys or these guys either, because they were sticky, and I thought all liquid lipsticks were like that, and I hated them up until I tried the Give Beauty ones. These are amazing, and I'm sad that the brand went out of business, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, see you in a bit. I'll show you what happens after about an hour and a half to 2 hours with this one, because it may like kind of fade like this one. So we'll see. See you in a bit. Alright, so I'm back after about an hour and a half, maybe hour 40 minutes. I watched a movie, right? And this is what I mean by it kind of getting absorbed and like kind of disappearing. So like all the blending that I did with my pencil kind of like just melts away. But I find a lot of lipsticks do that. So is it really a deal breaker? No. At this point, you would just take like a bathroom break and you would carry your lip pencil with you, right? And you just like touch it up and, you know, I don't know, like just fix it up a bit. It's really not that big of a deal breaker, at least not for me. And then just freshen up a bit in the bathroom type of a deal. I want to compare this to the L'Oreal liquid lipstick that I have. I don't know where I put it. 1 second. So I'm gonna wear test this one to see, you know, the difference in how long these guys last. Oddly, they're a very similar color. This one's just a little lighter. yeah. So let me go wear test the L'Oreal one and watch a whole movie and come back after about an hour 45 type of deal. Alright, see you in a bit. I wanted a little bit of video footage with this freshly applied with the same exact lip liner that I've been using for throughout this little experiment, I guess. So this is the liquid L'Oreal liquid lipstick. Right off the bat, the main difference is this one is more of a satin finish, whereas this one's glossy. So this one's not, it's not matte, but it's not glossy. This one's definitely glossy, but of course, on the actual packaging, that's what it said. So I'm not surprised. However, it's a similar, I can't freaking talk, similar formula where it's not a liquid lipstick that dries down and claims to be like 8 to 24 hour wear. Not that they ever last that long anyway, but you know what I mean. Like, it's not the Superstate ink one, and it's not the infallible one. This is like a, I don't know, a pigmented gloss, I would call it, type of a deal. Like, I wouldn't even call it a liquid lipstick. I would call it a pigmented gloss, but that's just me. So I'm gonna watch a movie, and after about an hour and a half, like after about an hour and a half, 45, jeez, I can't freaking talk today, I'm sorry. I'll be back to show you what it looks like, because that's based how I'm judging it, since my lips tend to eat these in about an hour and a half. Like, I don't know what's in them that they like to just like absorb it, but at least they're not drying out. That's a bonus, right? Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so I'm back after watching a movie, so it's been about an hour and a half, hour 45, whatever. I couldn't get that right in the previous clip. And I've been wearing this L'Oreal one, right? It does the same thing, where it gets kind of eaten. So, overall impressions of these guys, I like them. Considering this L'Oreal one is double digits, or at least close to double digits for one, and this guy is less than $1.25 because it comes with the lip pencil. I mean, they're kind of a no-brainer, especially if you like the kind that's not like a dry down formula. Yeah, so I don't mind them. I don't mind needing to reapply them. I don't mind any of that. I like them. I feel that the pink lemonade one is way too bright, and you need a darker liner. The liner that comes with it makes you look ridiculous. I don't know if it'll make you look ridiculous. It made me look ridiculous. It depends on your lip color. Alright, I have a darker lip color, I guess. Some people might have a lighter lip color and it might suit them. I don't know. I really don't know. It's a personal preference kind of a thing. But I used all of them with like my trusty Wet n Wild liner, because as you can see, that's all that's on there is my liner. The lip product pretty much gets absorbed. And part of the reason why I didn't care for the liners that came with them, because these are like the creamy kind, which means they'll get absorbed. They function more like lipstick and not liner. I like something that's going to sit there, that's going to create a barrier, that's going to prevent the product from slipping off my lips. In particularly because I have that down turned mouth and I look like I'm angry all the time. And the thing is like, I can't like do that all day. That looks weird too. But if I'm like, it looks weird. I look weird either way, but whatever. That's neither here nor there. Yeah, they're not bad. I'd get them. They're only $1.25. I'm gonna use them. I like them. Alright, see you guys later. That's pretty much it. That's my final thoughts. I liked these. Okay, bye. Wait, I lied. I'm back. One quick, thing that I noticed while I was like reapplying is I wanted to compare, because obviously these guys are a lot smaller, but I wanted to compare how much product there is inside them. So with the Bpure one, it's 0.1 flow ounce, or 0.1 flow ounces, or 3 milliliters. With the L'Oreal, it is 0.23 or 7 milliliters. So it's half of a L'Oreal. So by buying the 2 kits for $125, so that's $250. $250 for, you get essentially the amount of product that's in one of these. Essentially. And I believe these guys are like $10 or more, if I'm not mistaken, at certain places. You can find them cheaper. I didn't pay that much. I paid it with, like, I probably had a coupon at CVS or whatever. That's how I ended up with it. I never pay full price, but I'm pretty sure these are double digits, and these are just $1.25 a piece. So, and they perform pretty much the same way. The only thing is, L'Oreal one, oh no, that one's perfume too, but it's like floral. The Bpure ones have like they smell like macaroons to me. Like coconut. Not necessarily coconut, but like macaroni, like pastry kind of scented. I like them. Alright, that's enough. This video is getting way too long. Okay, bye.